quick context, Conductor works with the coding agents you already use, Codex, Claude Code, Gemini CLI, and more, while agent execution stays local to the paired machine. Here is the interesting claim. A 27 billion parameter class model normally makes local AI feel like a laptop project, not a phone project. So when locally AI says 1-bit Bonsai 27B can run on an iPhone, the useful question is, what has actually been demonstrated? First, separate the app from the model. Locally AI is the Apple device local model surface for iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Bonsai 27B is the model family PrismML is announcing into that workflow. The public model card identifies the 1-bit MLX variant. PrismML says it is based on Qwen 3.627B, packed into a low-bit representation for Apple MLX. The company reports a roughly 3.9 GB deployed footprint for the binary model, compared with roughly 54 GB for its FP16 reference, and about 11 tokens per second on an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Those are publisher-reported numbers, not independent results. The hard part is not storage. The model, activations, and context cache must fit inside an app's memory budget without making generation unusable. That is why 1-bit matters. A successful weight reduction can move a capability tier to hardware where it could not previously live. PrismML couples binary and ternary variants to specialized hybrid attention kernels. This is a model format and runtime story, not merely a smaller download. The release also gives an important file size caveat. PrismML's public MLX package is larger on disk than the 3.9 GB deployed language model figure because it includes format overhead and a bundled vision tower. Treat the small number as a model footprint claim, not a promise about your final download, installed app size, or peak runtime memory. Locally AI's product material shows the intended flow. Choose a model, run it on an Apple device, and infer on-device after download. That can help with private notes, travel, or an unreliable connection, though tools and extensions still need their own review. PrismML also published an iPhone demonstration. What you are seeing here is the official demo still, not a recreation. The associated Vimeo video could not be played or downloaded from this environment, so I am not presenting it as a fresh iPhone run. The same limitation applies to the official Hermes and M5 Max examples. Their stills are useful publisher evidence, but not a substitute for hands-on testing. Where could a model like this matter? Think of a coding agent or a research task that needs more than a short chat answer. A larger local model might analyze a repository or keep work in context without sending every step remotely. The point is not that every task belongs on a phone. Capability, locality, and device can become separate choices. The official Hermes thumbnail shows an agent task in a terminal context around a local Bonsai run. The M5 Max thumbnail shows a different desktop context. Neither proves you will get the same throughput, and neither proves every integration is ready. They do show PrismML is presenting Bonsai as more than a novelty chat model. For a careful evaluator, the white paper matters more than a thumbnail. It lays out variants, formats, measurement sections, and deployment paths. PrismML reports that the 1-bit variant retains about 90% of its FP16 benchmark aggregate while fitting the high-end iPhone target. That is their result, not mine. Low-bit quality depends on method, runtime, task, and context length. There are trade-offs worth keeping visible. Phone performance is thermal sensitive and longer context means a larger cache. The white paper says sustained generation can settle below a cold start peak and some energy figures are estimates. The mobile path targets supported high-end Apple hardware, not every phone. So do not ask only, can I download it? Ask which device, which Bonsai variant, which runtime, how much context, and which task you want to keep local. For offline drafting, a local private assistant, or experimentation on an Apple device, the direction is compelling. For a production promise about latency, reliability, or agent autonomy, reproduce your own task on your own hardware before depending on it. The public repository, model card, examples, and white paper let you inspect the reported method. The model materials are marked Apache 2.0, while app distribution is separate. Bonsai 27B is a credible move toward a phone-local workflow, but this video did not run locally AI or benchmark an iPhone. Watch runtime support, context budget, and thermals, not just the headline. Find the companion workflow at conductros.com and github.com/tyrannyk06/conductor-oss. It fits beside your setup, while the coding agent runtime stays local to the paired machine.